Hello traders, and how is it going? Time to take a look now at 4 areas on my charts that I'm going to be monitoring as we continue forward in trading activity. Let's start off taking a look at the NQ here and go down 2 lines to 150.60. This is an area in the market that we are currently at the time of this video testing as support. It's an area that the market has been holding as support after climbing on top of it and using it to reach our highest point that we've hit in a very long time, which brings us to 15400. 15400 is a strong psychological wall, as it would seem. Heavy resistance around this location, definitely going to be symbolic if we break above it. Now, falling down the screen a bit at 14680, this is an area of heavy resistance that had to be broken, and when it did, the market gained a ton of volume and flew up and gained that 15060 above. And down below even farther, we have 14270. It's a very low area of support that led to all of this in the first place. Good luck, happy trading. I'll see you all very soon.